Hello, Professor Pistone here, and today we're going to talk about case planning, how to plan a legal case. Case planning is pretty much like project management for lawyers, and case planning is essential for lawyering. Like good theater, good lawyering may look spontaneous, but it's not. It's very thoughtful. And the more time that a lawyer puts into planning a case, the more effective he or she will be, and the more spontaneous things might appear to an outsider. So understanding case planning, we need to think about three things. The first is, what are the goals of planning? The second is the planning process itself, the actions, the activities. And third is reflection on the plan as an iterative process, how it evolves over time. So let's get to it. First is the goals. When you think about case planning, what are the goals? What are the things that you want to get out of the case? So one of the goals of a case plan is to create a plan or a roadmap for your work on the case, and to visualize how all the individual tasks are connected. So you want to create a list of all the individual tasks that need to be done, and then visualize how they're interconnected. A case plan also helps to propel the start of a case and to divide big tasks into manageable little ones. It's also a really good tool for communication and collaboration among team members because it helps you to organize your work, to simplify the tasks, to reduce redundancy, to create a schedule, to delegate tasks, etc. So those are the goals of case planning. Second is the process of planning. What is actually involved in case planning? Well, case planning in a legal case involves a lot of thinking. It's about brainstorming about the case. It's really a thought exercise rather than a written exercise. You can create charts, bullets, lists, flow charts, calendars, and anything else that helps you to organize your thoughts. Because for a case plan, as opposed to a brief or something else, the primary audience for the case plan is you and the team members who are working with you on the case. So think about, what are the goals that the client brings to the table? What are you trying to achieve through this case? And then what are the legal elements? What's the legal theory of the case? What are the elements of the case? And then what facts need to be proven in order to establish those elements? And what form will the evidence take? And a timeline for how you get all those things together. That's really the elements, the aspects of planning the case, the act of planning the case. And then the last part is to reflect on your plan. When you step back from the plan, look at it to see how it's structured, if it helps you, if it helps to propel the case forward. And remember that case planning is an iterative process. So it's something that the document itself, the plan that you've created, will evolve over time. And it's helpful to get everybody on your team to buy into the case plan before you move forward on it, and to look at it now and again over the course of your case to make sure that it's accurate. It's also a great place to keep information that you don't want to lose sight of. And so that's case planning, figuring out the goals of the case plan, the process of planning, and the tools that you have at your disposal for planning, and then also reflecting on it at the end and making sure you understand it's an iterative development. Cheers.